Ever thought about camping alone but worried about how to manage? Fear not, as today we delve into the top 10 camping hacks for solo adventurers. Starting at number 10, embrace the solitude. The tranquility of being off the grid provides a unique opportunity to reconnect with nature and oneself. The silence won't feel so daunting once you learn to appreciate the peace it brings. Number 9, stay aware of your surroundings. Vigilance is key when camping alone. Keep an eye out for wildlife, weather changes, and other potential hazards. Remember, being prepared is the best way to stay safe. At 8, we have signal for help. Pack a whistle, flares, or a satellite communicator. This gear could be vital if you need to call for assistance. Number 7, manage waste responsibly. Bring a trowel and learn proper waste disposal techniques. It's our duty to minimize our impact on the environment. Coming in at number 6, cook smart. A compact camp stove, pots, and utensils are all you need to prepare hot meals and stay nourished. Remember, a well-fed adventurer is a happy adventurer. At number 5, stay warm and dry. Pack the right clothing and sleeping gear for the climate. Use a tarp or tent to create a weatherproof shelter. Comfort is key when braving the great outdoors. Number 4, navigate with confidence. A compass, map, and GPS device are your best friends in the wilderness. They'll ensure you never lose your way. Magnetize you needles in your sewing kit, and you can make a compass by floating the needle on a leaf in some water. Number 3, purify your water. A reliable water filter or purifier is a must-have to ensure you have clean drinking water wherever you go. Moss can be used as a water filter in a pinch. At number 2, master fire making. Bring multiple fire starters like lighters, matches, and ferro rods. A good fire can warm you, cook your food, and lift your spirits. Birch bark is highly flammable and burns easily even when wet. And finally, our number 1 hack, pack light, pack right. A lightweight, high-quality backpack that can comfortably carry all your essentials makes all the difference. In summary, the key to a successful solo camping trip lies in preparation and mindfulness. These hacks will ensure you're well prepared, confident, and ready to enjoy the solitude of the great outdoors. Remember, every solo trip is an adventure of self-discovery. Happy camping!